In this episode, we're starting a new journey, so if you're interested in finding out more about it, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. Now today's video is a little different. What I'm going to be doing is sort of like a vlog style, but what it started off with is that I was awakened early one morning, and God sometimes speaks to you in times you don't expect it. Where He told me that I wasn't taking care of myself and that I need to do better and I need to get up and walk in the mornings and eat a different plan for diabetics. So today I got up and I did a short walk because I started off late this morning because I got sidetracked. And I'm I want to share with you the things I did preparing for this walk and a little parts of the walk, and you'll see in the video. So if you're interested in going on the journey with me, let me know down below and we can set something up that we can do this together. Okay? All right. Okay, I'm starting the day off with just 2 boiled eggs because it always calls for you to eat fried eggs. I can't stand fried eggs. I can't stand scrambled eggs. The only way I'll eat them is boiled. So I'm starting out today with boiled eggs. After I eat and take medication, then I'm going to go for a walk, and I'll take you along with me then when I go for the walk. A little salt and pepper, which is the low salt. I don't know how you eat your boiled eggs, but that's how I eat mine. Okay, I'm on the walk. Not walking as far today, just getting my body used to getting back out here and walking. And I started late because I was started doing something else, and I wanted to finish that first before I came out. So that's why I'm not walking that far, because Texas is hot as hell state. So, but I feel pretty good this morning walking out here. But I think when I do it tomorrow, I'll start a little earlier and I'll go a little farther. But I'm determined to get this done. So if you want to follow with me on my journey of walking and trying to get some tonnage off, you are more than welcome. Okay, I'm on my way back. It was a quick walk. It was about a block and not even about 2 blocks. To some of you that might seem that much, but it is a start on this hot morning. I will try it again tomorrow. I will get up like I said I was going to get up at 7:30 and not get distracted by trying something else. But I did get out. I did walk. I did eat breakfast. I ate the boiled eggs. And now I'm going to go in and drink water and get ready to get back on my scheduled program for the day. So this is it for the very first day of my fitness journey. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, here's one of the bottles that I use, a small one to take around the house. So I'm already down to taking a drink at 10 o'clock. Now, when this finishes down at 12, I refill it to start back over again. So every hour I drink water. So I'm doing this one first. And then as my walking progress, I'll go to the big bottle. Okay, here's a big bottle. Yeah, it's a gallon. Now it's 8 a.m., 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So when I start walking longer distance, this will be the bottle I'll start drinking from. But for now, I started off with a small one. So I'm ready to get on this one to get everything in check. After this first week of walking, then next week I will introduce one exercise plan. So I'm determined If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.